Hi Natasha, thanks for the kitchen designs. I thought I'd just give a quick try myself to see how I would design this and how I'd build this. So the way I came up with this is to start with this. So I would have said you can use laminate. I don't really mind. The HDP laminate, is high density laminate, is fine. Or I could use plywood, doesn't really matter, whatever you think is stronger. I thought I'd support it with some stainless steel tubing. Now, depending on how strong this joint is, yeah, you might need two more of these tubes over here or not. Otherwise, you put stainless steel tubes. Where do you get those from? Well, you can get stainless steel tubes here, Metals for You, which does it for about 6 meters for about 206 pounds, which should be fine. Then I would say that the plywood is pretty cheap. Couple £100 should get you the right plywood. Then what you would do is you need to look at this. This is the channels that you need to dig for the LED strips. The LED strips are these channels that you can buy. This is a 6-pack for about £32. I think this is about 1 meter. Obviously we'll need more. They can just be cut to size. They're just made of aluminium. You don't need the top parts, which this actually has. You can just throw them away. The reason is we're going to put either perspex or glass on the top. I would say frosted glass potentially. So you get a piece of frosted glass put there, tempered frosted glass up here, tempered frosted glass up here. That gives you the heat resistance. You fill everything in with LED lights and they're completely invisible. The way I would design the channels, and I've actually made them easy to see and see, is if you look here, we can look at this. So we have, this is 18 millimeters wide, 9 millimeters high. You could probably make this 20 millimeters by 10 if you wanted to just push the LED lights a little bit more and give a bit more space. Two 30-degree lips here, and the reason is they allow the light to spread a bit. You could line these lips. This is like 12 millimeters in width. You could line these with a bit of aluminium foil if you wanted to make it a bit more reflective. That's all you need, and you just need to feed the actual cabling through here as well. The cabling, if you want, can feed through these metal pipes back into the ceiling, and that's where all the lights, electrics go. The only issue I see is this section is not supported very well. It's only got one here. Depending on the strength of this, it seems that they're saying the high density laminate is strong enough. If it is, then that's great. If not, I would suggest 2 more pipes, or moving these 2 pipes closer to here, one or the other, or maybe putting 2 of them over here and here to give you that triangle support. It's not perfect. It's not great because you have a little bit of a visibility thing, but actually this would be shielded because the fact that the fridge is behind here, potentially it would probably be quite hidden quite away. You wouldn't see it too much, especially with the lights reflecting through here. That's how I would do it, and I think that's eminently possible, and I think that's a lot simpler and fairly cheap to do. It shouldn't actually be too complicated, and that will allow you the look that we wanted. Thanks very much.